welcome back to Remix Action News. I'm your host, Kat, and this week, our reporter Alanis is having a really hard time making new friends. Let's see if Jay can help her out some.
Thanks, Kat. I'm here at lunch with Alanis, and she's sitting by herself. Let's go see if she can make some friends. Hey, Alanis, why are you sitting by yourself?
Because I don't have anybody to sit with.
Why don't you just go make some friends?
Well, I'm not sure if I know if I'm a good friend.
That's just an interesting question, because being a friend, we all have different ideas of what that means. But a good way to start is to think about the interests we have.
Well, I do like to play video games, watch TV, and make crafts.
Those are interesting. When we know what we like to do, we can talk to other people about it. Maybe they have common interests.
But what if they don't like the same things I do?
It's not always important to like the same things that our friends like to do. But remember to be open-minded, because you might like what they like to do, and you might open yourself up to something interesting.
Okay, so how do I know if I'm a good friend?
That's such a good question, because being a good friend means that you're kind, you're honest, you're respectful, you're loyal, and you show appreciation. You validate other people's feelings, and you're empathetic.
Okay, but do I have to be kind all the time?
You don't have to be kind all the time, because kindness doesn't mean you have to be nice. It means that you just have to be non-judgmental of the way someone lives their life, their interests, or their situation.
Okay. Do I have to be honest even if it hurts their feelings?
You have to just remember to think about what it is they need to hear. If it's important, just find a way to say it that doesn't hurt their feelings.
Now, do I have to be loyal 100% of the time? What if they do something that I don't agree with or it's bad?
Being loyal means that you're a true friend. You think of the other person. But it doesn't mean you have to go along with everything. If you're not comfortable or they're doing something that might hurt themselves or something else, speak up about it.
Oh, okay, so to show appreciation, I can give them my snacks during lunch.
That's really nice. I mean, we all like getting gifts, but remember that we don't want our friendship to be based on that. We want it to be based on the fact that we notice that they're being kind and that we're thankful for it. So saying that to them sometimes might be nice too.
Gotcha, but do I have to be thankful for everything they do?
No, and if it's something that you're not comfortable with, just tell them about it. We all like to have our friends talk to us about things like that.
Okay, now how do I validate someone's feelings?
Validating means that you're not judging them based on how they feel. You're allowing them to feel that way.
Now, I know what empathy is, but how exactly do I show it to other people?
By allowing them to feel the way they feel, you accept the way they feel. You validate how they're feeling. And then you're there for them as much and when they want you to be.
Okay, I think I can do all this. But what if someone's a bad friend and they don't see me as a good friend? What do I do?
You ask yourself some simple questions. What is the friendship based on? Do you get the same thing out of it as they get out of it? Can you be yourself around them? Do you feel heard? Do they respect your boundaries? Do you feel good when you're around them? Are they a negative or a positive person to be around? Are they encouraging? Can you be honest with them? Do they judge your interests? Can you trust them? Are they a positive influence? Do they pressure you into doing things that you won't want to do? And finally, do they appreciate you?
Whew. Friendship sounds like a lot of work.
Friendship is a lot of work. But remember, it's about being treated the way you want to be treated and treating someone the same way.
Okay, I think I'm going to go try and make some friends now.
Well, it seems like another success in the lunchroom, Kat. Back to you in the studio.
Friendships can be really hard work, but remember, you're not in it alone. Friendships take two people, and when you really work together, they can end up lasting a very long time. Well, that's it for Remix Action News this week. Join us next time.